Now this is INE straight lines INED question number 7. Now in this question it is like it is given that two quadratic equations are given, x square plus 4x plus 3, another is x square minus x minus 6 equal to 0, and it is given that x coordinates of points B and C are roots of this and their y coordinates are roots of this. So idea is to find coordinates of B and C first. And to find coordinates of B and C, we need to solve this quadratic equation as well as this quadratic equation. Now they are very simple quadratic equations. We can factorize this into two factors and find 2x coordinates, and similarly we can factorize this by splitting the middle term into two factors and solve them to get two factors. Now out of these four, we don't have to make all possible cases. It is mentioned in the question that x coordinate of point B is less than x coordinate of point C. So out of these two, the lesser one is for B coordinate for B point and greater one is for C point. Lesser one is minus 3. So minus 3 is x coordinate of B point and minus 1 is x coordinate of C point. Similarly, it is mentioned in the question that among the y coordinates, the y coordinates of B point is greater than y coordinate of C point. Greater is for B and lesser is for C. So greater one is 3. So 3 is the y coordinate of B point and minus 2 is the y coordinate of C point. So this is how we got coordinates of B and C. Now if you look at this triangle ABC, we know all the three vertices, and using distance formula we can find side length AB, and again using distance formula we find side length AC. We have to find length of this angle bisector of angle AD. To find this length of angle bisector, what we're going to do is we'll find using section formula coordinates of point D, and that is why we found these lengths. You know, angle bisector theorem, this over this equals to this over this. So ratio AB over AD, ratio AB and AD, ratio of AB and AD would be same as ratio of BD and CD, right? So using section formula we find coordinates of D. 2 into minus 1 plus 1 into minus 3 divided by sum of the ratios equals to x coordinate of D. Similarly 2 into minus 2, 1 into 3 divided by sum of ratios is the y coordinate of D. Coordinates of D. These are the coordinates of D. Now we apply distance formula and simplify it. This is what we are getting, and answer is B.